students, welcome to the next lecture of reproductive health, and in this video we will discuss about the next ARTs. Now we are discussing about the ARTs. Full form is assisted reproductive tests. Clear? These are the tests which are used for producing the children in the infertile couples. Clear? टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबीज के बारे में हम डिस्कस कर चुके थे. द नेक्स्ट वन इज गिफ्ट. द फुल फॉर्म इज गैमेट इंट्रा fallopian transfer. Clear? This is called as gift. Mainly this method is used for females. Clear? In case of this method, the eggs are obtained from ovary. The eggs are collected from ovary of the female and they are transferred to the fallopian tube. Clear? यहाँ पर कई बार ऐसा होता है फिम्ब्रीज जो प्रेजेंट है ना फलोपियन ट्यूब के इनफंडिबुलम पार्ट पे, जो फिम्ब्रीज फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस प्रेजेंट होते हैं, these फिम्ब्रीज आर नॉट कैपेबल ऑफ कलेक्टिंग द egg. Then in that case the eggs are collected and transferred into the fallopian tubes. One more thing, this technique is used for those females which produce sperm antibiotics. Now in the females, in the vaginal region of the females, the sperm antibiotics are produced. So in those females where the sperm antibodies, not antibiotics, sperm antibodies. So in those females in which the sperm antibodies are produced in the vaginal region, in that case the eggs are collected from the ovary and transferred to the fallopian tube. So eggs are collected and transferred to the fallopian tube. Clear? This method is called as gift or the gamete intrafallopian transfer. After that, rest of the process is natural. Next one is AI. This is the second one. First one is the test tube babies. Second is gift and third one is the artificial insemination. It is artificial insemination. In this case, what is going to happen in the artificial insemination? This method is used for the males. If the male is suffering from oligospermia, the disease that is called as oligospermia. Oligospermia means the sperm count is less or the less sperm count. Generally we know that in one ejaculation about 300 millions of sperms are there, and out of these 300 millions of sperms only the 100 of sperms are capable to reach the egg. So here if the oligospermia condition is there, less sperm count is there, then in that case the artificial insemination method is used, in which 2 or 3 ejaculates are collected and then they are transferred into the female genital tract. Clear? 2 or 3 ejaculates of the semen are collected and they are transferred into the female genital tract. That is called as artificial insemination. In this method, the sperms from the same partner, that is the husband of the female, can be taken, and if the sperm count is more or less, then in that case the sperm of the donors are also can be used. If the sperm of the husband is used, then it is also called as artificial AIH. Now that is artificial insemination husband. Artificial insemination husband. That is AIH. Clear? Or donor donor's sperm are also used. Clear? So this is the another method of ARTS. Third one is the ACSI, that is intracytoplasmic sperm injection और इंट्रासेलुलर स्पर्म इंजेक्शन, है ना. दोनों नेम आपको किसी बुक में इंट्रासाइटोप्लाज्मिक मिल सकता है और किसी बुक में इंट्रासेलुलर भी मिल सकता है, तो दोनों ही ठीक है. इट इज इंट्रासाइटोप्लाज्मिक स्पर्म इंजेक्शन. Clear? In this method, the sperms are directly injected into the ovum. Clear? कुछ नहीं करना है, only the sperm are directly injected to the ovum. So after that the fertilization is going to take place and the rest of the development takes place in the female body. So these are the some important techniques of ARTs, that is assisted reproductive test. Now these are used for those couples which are not having children or which cannot produce children after having the unprotected sexual contact for a long period of time. Clear? So for those infertile couples, these techniques are used to produce the children. Clear? So 4 techniques are there: test tube babies, GIFT, AI and ICSI. After that the chapter is going to be completed. ठीक है, reproductive health the complete unit has completed. ना reproduction का जो unit हमारे पास था जिसमें हमने 4 chapters देखे: reproduction in organisms, reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction and the reproductive health. Here the chapter as well as the unit of the reproduction has completed. Clear? Thank you very much.